Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are tuned in, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and turn on your post notification bell as we get into this color. So as you guys can see from the beginning of the video, you saw me and you saw the color. So I'm going to show you how I got the Shadowroots and toned it the way I did. First, grab you a mesh dome cap to place on your canvas head. String you up some needle and thread, get your bundles, get your frontal, and we're going to begin making our wig. I'm not going to make a full wig on camera because I already have a video showing how I make my frontal wig. So if you would like to check that out, all you have to do is go down on my channel and you will see the video. Anyway, this is hair from Queen Beauty on AliExpress. I have a hair review video on this hair as well, the video before this one, so you can check that out as well if you want details on how this hair actually managed to hold up or my opinion on the hair. You're going to place your frontal over the cap just a little bit so it could come down. You want the hairline to come over the cap in the front. Right, line it up, make a straight line. Once the front look like an M shape, you know you got it on there right. I like to start sewing my frontals down from the middle as I showed you, and then work from side to side, and there you have it, a perfectly sewed down frontal. Now grab your bundles, line them up. Ladies, I like to double my tracks because I like my hair full and I want my bundles in, I want all my bundles in, so I double my tracks. Anyway, just if you learn how to make a wig or want to learn how to make a wig, this step is very simple. You're going to continue doing this all the way around until your wig is completed. And then you have a completed wig. Boom. Now we're going to get into coloring the roots. I wanted me some Shadowroots, so I'm going to use Color Tango 6BB. The one I normally use is 7B, but Sally's is no longer carrying that one. It is definitely like off the market, so I went down to 6BB hoping that it worked, and it did. You're going to need 20 volume developer. Mix it till you get equal parts. You don't want it to be too runny. As you're going to see, I went back and add more of the 6BB color on it from the Color Tango just so I could thicken it a little bit more. I didn't want it to run through my lace. So yeah, just make sure you have it at a consistent pace. Mix that bad boy up. Stir, 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 stir. And then you're going to get you an edge control brush or a spoolie or whatever you prefer. Your choice. And you're just gonna start. Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up a step. You're gonna get your gloves first. Let's get some gloves, ladies, because we do not want that stuff on our hands. Let's get some gloves, then get your edge control brush. Once you get your edge control brush, you're gonna use light strokes. Yes, I know my voiceover is all over the place and I'm sorry, but I promise I don't feel like doing this over, so work with me, guys. Take your edge control brush, dip it in, and then just start using light strokes. You don't want to be too heavy. You can use the comb part on the ends too, but you don't want to do it too heavy because you don't want, well, we're going to try not to bleach the lace. I can't promise you that you won't get color on the lace a little bit, but we're going to try not to stain it. But anyway, just watch and I'll be back towards the end of the video, and I hope you guys are enjoying this far. All right, ladies, so there you have it. This is how it came out. My roots are brown. I went to shampoo it out. I used Ion shampoo, the color purple, the purple shampoo, sorry, just so I could go ahead and tone the blonde hair before applying the other color on there. I didn't want it to be mixed. So, however, for the next part, you're going to get Wella Color Charm T35 4 boxes, or however many boxes you think you need, with 20 volume developer. This step is very, very important that you make sure you do it correctly, because you do not want to mess it up. So every one bottle of the Wella Color Charm, you need to fill it up with the developer twice. So in this case, I use 4 bottles. So I fill my bottles up 8 times with the developer, just to make sure it was even. Stir that bad boy up. Now this part, really, 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 ladies, only do this if you have patience. Do not rush this, because don't rush it. Just don't rush it. I promise you don't want to rush it. But anyway, this part was very difficult. Not difficult, but just a lot, because it was very thick to mix. Very thick. As you can see right here, it's thick. Okay, and baby, my arms had to go to work to make sure I can mix all that together. But you're just going to start applying it over the hair. You don't want to leave it on the hair too long. The box do say 30 minutes, so I try to go ahead and brush and put it on. But I started with the brush. Brush was taking up too much time, so I switched to using my hands. When you do hair and you know what you're doing, it's okay. I switched to using my hands. Just make sure you have them gloves, because it do burn. It will burn your skin. It's just like bleaching your hair. So just make sure you have on gloves and get to work, ladies. I start putting that bad boy in my hand, and I start going through the hair. Just go through it. It's like putting a relaxer in. You want to make sure you get it everywhere. So as you guys going to see throughout the video, I was just going through the hair very fastly with it, using a lot, putting it on it so I can make sure the color turn. But just do it how you would do a relaxer. I don't do relaxers, I'm natural. But if you do relaxers, how you would do a relaxer is you want to make sure it's all over your hair. You don't want some parts to be straight and some parts to not be straight, okay? Don't look cute. And you know, just to make sure the color is even throughout the hair. So continue to watch, and I'll be back.
What we do here is go back.
And there you have it, ladies. She is all done. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get a post every time I upload a new video. And head on up to the next video if you would like to see how I install my wig using Erica J adhesive. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.